Hello, my dear friends. Friends, there is a burning question whether there is a hell after death or not. And you will find this topic is discussed at many places. There are so many videos and also in books this topic is discussed. And at many places wrong information is being given because the information is speculative, not based upon truth, philosophical views of different people. But truth can be known, and in this video I'm going to tell you the truth about this. You may wonder how. It is not just by my abilities. I am not spiritually that much evolved yet, but I am telling you based upon the information given by the great Tibetan Lama Lobsang Rampa. Lobsang Rampa was not just an ordinary person. Whatever he has written in his 19 books is not speculative information, is not philosophical information, but based on his abilities, spiritual powers. He could go to any spirit realms, astral planes of existence, and bring back true information. He could go beyond death and come back. By birth, he had many occult powers which were further enhanced in Tibet. Now I am talking about Tibet when it was a free country. So Lobsang Rampa was trained there under the 13th Dalai Lama, who was the last genuine Dalai Lama. And his own mentor or guru, Lama Mingya Dona, had a lifespan of about 300 to 400 years. He was highly evolved. So he was trained under highly evolved spiritual beings there in Tibet. And all his abilities, spiritual powers which he had by birth, were further enhanced. His ability, clairvoyance ability of the third eye was further enhanced, and he is mentioned about this in his book, first book, The Third Eye, how the powers of his third eye were enhanced. So I am going to tell you the truth as Lobsang Rampa has conveyed, and he has written the truth about everything. Now before I do that, I ask you in general that if a person has lived a bad life of harming others, looting, raping, murdering, deceiving others, harming others in any way out of greed or lust, right? Exploited others, then do you think that person deserves to go to a heaven, if there is any heaven? Where that person should go? Any sane person or justice loving person will say that if there is a hell after death, that person must go to that place and know what wrongs he had done while living on the earth. He should have all those suffering on himself, right? And if a person has lived righteously, not harming others, right, has lived a good life of harmony, love towards all, and has not harmed others in any way, then that person truly deserves to go to a place, heaven, if there is any heaven. So there should not be any anxiety about this question. If you have lived righteously, if you are living righteously, not harming others, rather helping others, then need not worry There should not be any anxiety about it. What is going to happen after death? It is going to be a good journey. Life is eternal, and you will have adventurous time, good time after death, if you have lived righteously on this earth without harming others. The more good you have done towards others, the more better places you are going to go in the higher realms, spirit worlds. See, soon after death, we all go to a lower astral plane where the conditions are not much different from conditions on earth, because people of all mentality are going to go there. So there cannot be harmony, right? So in that lower astral, one has to overcome all his or her false values, wrong notions about life, about others, has to come to terms with reality, truth. And if that person has lived wrongly, done harm to others, if that person was a criminal, it may take many years of earth time, because the time difference is there. There is a different time continuum on the astral planes. A day in the astral worlds or spirit worlds may be equal to 1 year on as per the earth time. So that person may take many years as per the earth time to come to reality with the truth and realize his or her mistakes, wrongdoings towards others. Right? So Lobsang Rampa has written that there is a purgatory in the lower astral. There is a place. Purgatory means a place where anything is washed, is cleaned up. So the person has to be cleaned up of all the dross that person has accumulated due to wrong thinking, due to selfish actions, due to harming others. And the hardcore criminals may take many years of our time to come to terms with reality, to accept their wrongdoings and experience the tortures, the feelings of tortures, suffering as experienced by those against whom that person has done wrongs. So that purgatory for such people, it can be called a hell. See, like in school, if a student or child is not concentrating, not focusing, is mischievous, the teacher may punish, give some light punishment, ask the child to stand on a bench or go around the school, take a round and come back. Similarly, in the purgatory, if a person is hardcore criminal, has done wrongs to others and is not coming to terms with reality, not accepting, still feeling very arrogant, then it may be torturous for that person. That is the only hell for those people. But for those who have lived righteously, not harming others, nothing to worry. So there should not be any anxiety in general also. Now, the truth is that it is only purgatory there. And if you are a righteous living person, you won't stay there long. You will soon go to the higher realms, the spirit world, where only harmony exists. And if you was not compatible with any person on earth, you didn't like that person because there was difference of vibrations, then you won't find that person in the higher realms. And the higher realms are heaven. The conditions are so harmonious. So if you are a righteous living person, doing good, not harming others, then you are bound to go to the places which can be called heaven, which are like heaven. There is so much harmony there. So nothing to be afraid of. Just live righteously, help others, love others, and get rid of your negative traits. So you will be preparing for a better time in future after death. Right? Nothing to fear. I hope this information will liberate you and will free you from undue anxiety about this. Right? And if you want your own development, it is better you believe whatever Lobsang Rampa has written. Well, it is your choice. I am not forcing you. Nobody is forcing you. But I am telling you from my own experience that I followed his teachings decades ago, and I have experienced many things in meditation, in astral traveling. So I can say whatever he has written is truth. You may even these days find many people who label Lobsang Rampa as a fake. Let us forget about those ignorant people. They never bother to study all his books and practice. If they do so, they will know that he was a genuine, spiritually evolved great Lama. Thank you for watching.